Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate the age of something, anything. So in this example what I'm trying to do is calculate the number of years that each of these employees have been working in this company. Now we're going to be looking at how you can find the number of years, or if you want it in months we can do that as well, or if you want it in days we can get that information as well. Now this formula is not really known by a lot of people, so you will not find this information in a lot of other videos. Now before we start on that, there is one other thing that I need to show you that you may or may not be aware of, and it's just going to take a quick second, and that is the today formula. Today formula is very simple. You have to just type equal to today, open the bracket, close the bracket and hit enter. That's going to give you the current date. Now it showed me the date in a number format. To change that to date format, all you have to do is Control Shift and 3. Now that we've established that I'm recording this video on the 18th of April 2024, let's go ahead and see what this means for our calculation. To start on the formula, type equal to, type dated if and open the bracket. You notice that when I started typing, it doesn't give me the drop down menus like it normally would. Don't worry about that. Once you open the bracket, it's going to give you this dated if formula. Once you're here, select the date that you want to get the information for. So in this case, I've selected the cell where I have the date of joining. Type comma, and now you want to enter in today's date. Now for this, you could either select a cell where you have today's date already put in, or you just have to put in the today formula in here. Close the bracket for today, that's very important, and then hit comma again. Now if you want the experience or the age in the year format, then open the double quotes and type Y and close double quotes. Close the bracket and hit enter, and it's going to give you the experience in years. If you calculate, you will in fact find that it does take 19 years if you're working from 1st Jan 2005 to 18th April 2024. Now to change this to the number of months for the experience, all you have to do is replace the Y with an M and hit enter, and now you have the experience in months. Also, to get it in the number of days, you guessed it, change M to D and hit enter, and now you have the experience in days. Now click here for your next Excel lesson. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.